Now, we will draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Take major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long. Step 1. Draw a circle of diameter 100 mm and 70 mm. Let the center of the circle be O. Step 2. Draw both axes as perpendicular bisectors of each other. Let major axis be AB and minor axis be CD. Step 3. Divide both the circles into 12 equal parts and name them as shown. Step 4. From all points of outer circle, draw vertical lines downwards and upwards respectively. Step 5. From all points of inner circle, draw horizontal lines to intersect those vertical lines. Step 6. Mark all intersecting points properly as those are the points on ellipse. Step 7. Join all these points along with the ends of both axes in smooth possible curve. This is the required ellipse.